Namaste from this side to that. I'm Sketchyme and I'm back with yet another video, and today's content is pretty amazing. Today I'm going to cover the amazing updates that Adobe has shared in the Premiere Pro application. So if you are a video editor, you are in for a treat, and these updates are so good to be true. Without any further ado, let's get into that. Video editing is so tricky and time consuming, but not any longer. With this new update, we can edit the videos as if we are editing a document. All we need to do is we need to go to this text feature available to us, and then we need to click on transcribe. This will create the entire audio into a document. As you can see now, we have the entire audio as document now. We can go ahead and delete the words, phrases or whatsoever we don't need in this audio, and that will be automatically deleted from the script. That's the first big update. Time to reveal the next update. The next best update that Adobe has released for Premiere Pro is the deletion of pauses. While recording the videos, we face a lot of ums, ers, and silences. Editing those is very difficult, but not any longer. We can simply go to the filter option available to us, and here we can select pause. This will select all the pauses that are available in the document. Next, what we need to do is we just need to click on delete. It will delete one of the pauses, but then it opens up the option of deleting all the pauses at once. We can go ahead and click on delete all, and ta-da! The magic has just happened. It has deleted all the pauses that were present in the document. I know, right? This is such an amazing update that has been offered to all the video editors out there by Adobe. I know you can't stay calm over here and you really want to go and get started with all these updates. So go ahead and explore this. Hasta la vista, cheero.